What if nature reclaimed urban areas? Imagine skyscrapers entwined with vines, streets turned into green corridors, and wildlife roaming freely where cars once dominated. This transformation would challenge our current urban lifestyle, demanding innovative adaptations. Buildings might become self-sustaining, harnessing solar energy and rainwater. Transportation could shift to eco-friendly alternatives, reducing pollution. As concrete jungles evolve into true jungles, urbanites might develop a stronger connection to the environment, fostering a culture of sustainability. Yet, challenges would arise, such as managing human-wildlife interactions and redefining infrastructure. This green renaissance could redefine our relationship with nature, prompting a harmonious coexistence.